Libre by YSL is a masterpiece that celebrates freedom and femininity, designed for the bold and confident woman. This iconic fragrance opens with fresh and vibrant top notes of lavender, mandarin orange, black currant, and petitgrain. These notes create a refreshing yet sophisticated introduction. The middle notes of lavender, orange blossom, and jasmine bring a soft floral elegance to the scent, making it truly captivating. The base notes of Madagascar vanilla, musk, cedar, and ambergris provide depth and warmth, leaving a lasting impression that is both sensual and luxurious. At Fragrance Remix Lab, we have recreated this timeless fragrance with precision and care. Today, we are excited to share with you the process of making a 50 ml impression of Libre by. We began with 19 ml of pure perfume oil inspired by Libre. This high-quality oil captures the very essence of the original scent, ensuring that every note is faithfully represented. This oil reflects the sparkling freshness of the top notes, the floral magic of the heart, and the warm, sensual embrace of the base. Choosing the right perfume oil is essential, as it forms the foundation of a luxurious and long-lasting fragrance. Next, we added perfume-grade ethanol, an important component in creating a professional-quality perfume. Ethanol acts as a carrier, allowing the fragrance to diffuse beautifully when sprayed. To ensure a smooth and refined base, we used only the highest quality ethanol, which has been pre-treated to eliminate any chemical odors. This step is crucial to achieving a seamless blend that mirrors the elegance of the original Libre. To enhance the fragrance and extend its longevity, we added 5 drops of ISO A Super. ISO A Super is a powerful fixative known for its ability to create a soft, velvety aura around the wearer. It adds depth and sophistication to the fragrance, ensuring that it leaves a memorable impression. For those exploring perfume making, ISO A Super is an essential ingredient that elevates any creation. Once all the ingredients were combined, we blended them together. While some perfume makers use mechanical mixes, we believe in the power of natural aging. This fragrance will mature over a period of 16 to 30 days, allowing the ingredients to harmonize and develop fully. This slow maturation process enhances the complexity and smoothness of the perfume, resulting in a refined and luxurious scent. If you enjoyed learning about our process, we encourage you to support our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest creations and tutorials. Your feedback and engagement inspire us to bring you more exciting content. Thank you for being a part of Fragrance Remix Lab, where we transform passion into the art of perfumery.